So here it is, the Morningstar MC6 Pro, but just before I unbox this, let me show something cool. So I'm just gonna upload this video very soon in which I compare different MIDI controllers. I've got the Morningstar MC8, I've got the Morningstar MC6, the Ampero Control, the Source Audio Soleman, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, and obviously I'm gonna compare the Morningstar MC6 Pro as well. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe. I'm Aleloy, this is Ale Suggest, audio and video suggestion for the creative mind, and let's get this video started. Cool, so let's see what we got here. So I've never done an unboxing before. Let's see how this goes. I was kind of anxious to get this in the mail because they're so hard to find and they get sold out like immediately. So you will excuse the cheesy unboxing video. I'll do a detailed review, and as I said, I will be reviewing also all these other MIDI controllers, but just to release something quick and have some first impressions of how does this look like, and also how is the screen, because you know, from these little screens of the Morningstar MC8, the Morningstar MC6, can't really see that well when you're on stage. So I'm pretty curious about like how does this compare. We will see. Finally, it's here from Singapore. I thought it was an American company, but anyway, the parcel arrived from Singapore, and we will see how this do. Wow, we're almost there. I guess it's upside down. Oh, I'm gonna need to edit this out because it's got my name and how much money I paid. But yeah, so I guess that it will contain. Yes, it contains another box. That's the box we're interested in. Ah, there it is. Let's see if I can zoom a little bit. Cool, so finally, this bad boy is here. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, we got some stickers. Good stuff. And we got a thank you card with a getting started. And there it is. We got a cable. This time it's a longer cable. The cable that came, oh, it's sealed as well. Anyway, just a USB-C to USB-A or B. Oh, I don't know if you're able to see the bigger one. And there it is. Wow, it's actually small. It's a lot smaller compared to the MC8 that I'm using just now. I'll show you how small it is compared to these other two guys. Let me go get. So this is the MC6. And this is instead the MC8. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. Don't need those. So interesting. Yeah, I've got some stuff. This is actually the pedal board I'm using when I'm gigging right now, so I'm not gonna remove it from the Velcro, but yeah, you got the idea. So that's the comparison more or less with the MC8, and let's get this out. And actually, when you compare it with the MC6, again, this is the MK1, but the MK2 is exactly identical when it comes to dimensions. So you know, just the features of the NK2 are totally different. But yeah, okay, cool. So let's see if we can power this up. Shall I remove the film? Yeah, I should, but let's power it up first in case there is something wrong. Just gonna get this USB-C cable, which hopefully is gonna be compatible. I guess we're gonna go this way. It's gonna look a bit weird. Ah, it's all empty. Oh, I'm gonna fill this guy up very soon. Okay, cool. So I guess we're not gonna really appreciate the different colors that the screen has, but we will see this in the bigger review that I'm gonna do very soon. So very quickly, a very quick overview. So what's changing with the MC6? What's the difference? Obviously we still have the MIDI in and MIDI out with this very strange but convenient 7 DINs MIDI ports here, and also we got now a host, a USB host. Obviously it's now got USB-C, USB host, and 4 Omni ports. It was just 2 in the MC6, the normal one. Also relay ports, so you can turn on and off your amp. Finally, this is really cool. I just can't wait to do a deep dive and just review this controller very soon with all the others. So I guess this is it for today. Sorry, it was just a quick one, but I just wanted to at least give you a wee idea on how does it look like. And for the big video, this is gonna be a very ambitious video, so make sure you don't miss it, because I spent quite a lot of time to check all these different controllers out. What do they do, what do they don't? I'm just gonna check out their software, what can they do, what can they don't, and how is the display, what are the different downsides of every controller. And these are all controllers that they do 2 things. They all have a screen, so they have these 2 things in common. They all have a screen, and also they can send multiple messages with 1 footstep. So there are specific selection, it's a specific selection of MIDI controllers. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this little video. I'm Aleloy, this is Ale Suggests, audio and video suggestions for the creative minds, and I will see you here very soon.